Did I just witness the first case of air rage? Not enough space up there to work with. All right, here they come around again. They air racing up here, trying to see how close they can get these airplanes together, I suppose. I'm hanging out parked by this log in my kayak. I'll check them out. They're all three in formation now. Right on. Oh, they're going behind my back. I'm about to drop the phone in the water. There's the big boy. I think they're gonna bomb me. Some kind of training mission.